In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record iPhone screen with VoiceOver. If you want to record the screen on your iPhone and comment on something with your voice, then just watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. On Settings, scroll down for a bit and get into Control Center. Then make sure that screen recording feature has added to included controls. If you can see it here, just let me remove it. Just scroll down until you find it in that list, and then just hit at that plus sign to move it to included controls. That means that now you can find screen recording at your Control Center. To open up Control Center, just swipe from the top right corner, and that's where you can find this screen recording feature. And if you want to record your screen with VoiceOver, you have to just tap and hold your finger until microphone option comes up. Then you just need to enable this option. As you can see, it says microphone on, and after that you can tap at screen recording, and after a 3 seconds countdown it will start recording your screen. You can identify that screen is being recorded by that red background of your time widget, and once you have finished with the recording and you want to stop it, just tap right here and then select stop. The screen recording video has just been saved to Photos. You can open up Photos app, and that's where you can find the video you have just recorded. After that, you can play that video, you can hit on Edit, and if you want, you can trim the beginning of the video and the end of the video, just for example. Also, there are some different options if you want to edit that video. After that, just don't forget to hit Add Done and select Save Video as New Clip or just Save Video. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.